Hey guys, so recently we got a new report that suggests Samsung is planning to launch the fourth Galaxy S10 model along with the other three models, in which the first one is entry-level Galaxy S10 Lite, then the regular Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So SDG Co confirms that Samsung mobile division is going through the crisis mode, so now they need to bring something big with the upcoming S10 lineup. This fourth model will include 5G support and total of 6 camera setup, 2 at the front and 4 at the back. The previously reported 3 Galaxy S10 variants are set to feature 2 different display sizes, 5.8-inch and 6.4-inch display, and the fourth variant will feature an even bigger 6.7-inch display, and this will be the highest end model of the S10 lineup, which automatically makes it the most expensive S10. But it will also be the superior to the other three in terms of features. As exclusively reported by Sam Mobile, this fourth Galaxy S10 variant will come with a ceramic back in black and white colors. Samsung is also working on a reverse wireless charging feature for this Galaxy S10 model. It would enable the device to use its battery to wirelessly charge other devices, just like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Talking about some of the internal side of things, the company recently unveiled the Exynos 9820 processor, which will power the Galaxy S10 lineup, and Snapdragon 8150 or 855, whatever they decide to name it. Previously, this chipset was scored 3,62,292 points on AnTuTu, making it the first chipset running on Android platform to have crossed the benchmark of 3,60,000 points. Geekbench listing also revealed that the chipset logged a score of 3,281 in a single core test and 11,023 in multi-core test. All 4 devices will reportedly be launched at new event in mid-February, but only the 3 model will be released first. The 6.7-inch 5G model will arrive when 5G connectivity will be launched by carriers, which can happen by the end of Q1 or early Q2 of 2019. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what do you think about this upcoming Galaxy S10 lineup. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in my next video.